Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we'll cook up a couple of these beautiful pork chops here. And we'll use this 4C breadcrumbs here, seasoned. And I'll tell you what, as soon as you open the top on this, you know whatever you cook with it's going to be good, because that sure does smell delicious. So anyway, let's get started with it and see how we can make these beautiful pork chops come out looking even more beautiful. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pump up sprayer here and put me a little olive oil on them. Just spray it around on, and this is just to help the breadcrumb stick. Oh yeah, see, that looks good already. Push that in a little bit, make sure it's all on there good. Put this glove on because I don't want to be contaminating anything later, you know. I know most of you people say, well, I wash my hands good enough, I don't need gloves. Well, you go ahead. When your family's in the hospital with food poisoning, you can't say it's my fault. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it. And you know, you just do this for taste, you know, and you've got pork chops here, so you don't want to overwhelm it with salt. And you do the pepper. Yeah, I'm sort of a pepper kind of guy, so I use a little more pepper. Now I'm just going to see if I can push that salt and pepper in there a little bit, like that. Oh yeah. Now don't tell you, they look pretty good. They look pretty like you just about want to just sit down and eat them right now, you know. So now I'm going to take my crisper basket here to my super duper 8-quart deluxe Ninja FOODi, and I'm going to put these right in there, and we'll turn them right side up, or upside down, I mean. Just turn it right upside down, have it be in the bottom of that pan like that, just like that. And now I'm going to take my pump up sprayer again. I'm going to spray this side of them with olive oil. And now I'm going to put my 4C's breadcrumbs over here. Now if I don't set this in that plate, I'm going to make a mess on that counter. And then somebody will have to clean it up. It looks like I already have anyway. So anyway, we'll cover it up good. Just like that. Make sure you get some on all the little spots around. Because I'm going to tell you right now, these breadcrumbs are good. Right now, before I even mash it in this time, we'll go ahead and get me some salt and pepper on this side. Maybe I'd have done the salt first on the other side. I'll do the pepper first on this side. Alright. Lost the salt. There it is. It's such a rarity that I can remember to put the salt and pepper in. Alright. Like I say, you don't want to overwhelm it with that salt because it's pork, you know. So. Oh boy. Those look good right there. No, you can't see them because I just looked at the camera. Now you can see them down in this basket here. Now, I'm going to get rid of this glove for good. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we'll take these and pick them up, bring them right over here to this Ninja FOODi. And set them right down in here. This Ninja FOODi Deluxe 8-quart. Alright, now we're going to shut the lid on the crisper lid. We're going to shut it. And then we're going to come over here and turn the power on. And then we'll go and put it over here on air crisp. And it says 390. We ain't going to go 390. We're going to drop that temperature a little bit. So we're going to hit temperature. The little button says temperature right here. You hit it, and then it'll start flashing. We're going to turn it down to 375. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to hit the time over here. Yeah, we don't need to hit the time. Well, I do too, because I'm going to raise it up 5 minutes. We hit the time. Okay, and then that starts flashing. And so then you start adding time to that, because I want it to go for 25 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the start button right here. And there it goes. And while y'all sitting there twiddling your thumbs for 24 minutes and 52 seconds, how about join my channel and give me a thumbs up? I sure appreciate it. And thank you very much, all seriousness, thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos. It really means a lot to us when we see our numbers climb a little bit. And so, and if you get a chance, check our links out down below. You might see something with Amazon you like from one of our links or something like that. So anyway, now we're going to keep an eye on these, and we'll be back here in just a few minutes to check them out, see how they're doing. Okay, now while we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and fix me up a little container of this ready to serve brown rice here, this whole grain. This is minute rice. And according to this right here, all you got to do is take the cover off of this, put it in your microwave for, I don't know, ever how many minutes it said. I think they call it minute rice, so I think it's 1 minute. And so let's give it a try and see how it's going to go with our beautiful pork chops over here, because they're getting close. Okay, now I got my LG inverter microwave over here. I'm going to take my cup of rice and stick it in there. I hate having to try to do this without getting in front of the camera. Shut it. I'll put 1 minute on the timer there and hit the start button. And there it goes, counting down. And so now back to this pork chop. Okay, now that's been cooking for a while, so I think we'll check it. This FOODi DELUXE here, it's got a bigger, got a more powerful motor than the other one had, or heating elements, or whatever you want to call it. It's more wattage than the other, so I'm going to check the temp. Oh yeah, that's already up to 145. I'm not doing anything else to that. Yeah, that either. They're ready to come out. So this is much quicker cooking time than the other one, than the regular Ninja had. So anyway, we're going to take them out and take a look at them. Of course, the truth comes out when you put the knife and fork to it, you know, so let's get these out of here and get a hold of them without burning myself. There they are. I hear by that microwave that the minute rice is done. So now, let's get over here with a knife and fork. Okay, well, let's cut into one of these. I don't reckon it matters which one if I don't drop my fork. Oh yeah, see that fork just goes right on in there. See that? That looks really good. That was really good. Let's try another bite. tell you, that minute rice was just hollering to get out of that microwave over there. And you have to be careful when you take this out. Don't grab it by the sides, grab it by the top. So you get over to your plate, just dump it over like this. I'm going to tell you, those sides are hot. Now put a little bit of salt, not a lot, on this rice here. A little bit of pepper. That's still hot. Now, that's flaky rice right there. Well, if you like sticky rice, this ain't the rice for you, but this is good rice right here. Goodness, that's delicious. Okay, so that about does it for this little video here. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you'll come back and see us real soon, because I hope to have another video for you real soon. And you can't get much better than this for a dinner or a lunch or whatever, especially for two of you. Just make sure you got two of these little cups. 2 pork chops. It can't be much easier than throwing it in that Ninja FOODi and heating up that minute rice in the microwave. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now, and come back and see me real soon. And thanks again for watching our videos. Goodbye now.